If your Canadian work permit is about to expire and your employer is still waiting for an LMIA, there's an important update you need to know. Canada has now given eligible temporary foreign worker program applicants an extra 30 days to provide proof of a positive or neutral LMIA. That means the grace period has increased from 60 days to 90 days, and for some foreign workers, this could make the difference between maintaining legal work authorization and having to stop working. On August 21, 2026, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada updated its instructions on concurrent processing for in-Canada work permit applications under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, or TFWP. So, what exactly changed, and who can benefit? Let's break it down. Normally, a foreign worker applying for a TFWP work permit needs to have a completed Labour Market Impact Assessment, or LMIA, before submitting the work permit application. An LMIA is used to show that the employer could not find a qualified Canadian citizen or permanent resident for the position. For a TFWP work permit, the LMIA generally needs to receive a positive or neutral result. But here's the problem: LMIA processing can take several months. That can create a serious timing issue for foreign workers in Canada whose existing work permits are about to expire. Without concurrent processing, they might have to wait for the LMIA before applying for their new work permit. By then, their existing authorization could expire, forcing them to stop working. Concurrent processing provides a solution. If an applicant qualifies, they can submit their TFWP work permit application while their employer's LMIA application is still being processed. The work permit application is then put on hold while the applicant waits for the LMIA decision. Previously, applicants had 60 days to provide proof of the positive or neutral LMIA. Now, that period has been extended to 90 days, giving applicants an additional 30 days. During this 90-day period, the applicant can update their application with evidence of the successful LMIA. Once that period ends, the officer can return to the application and make a final decision. However, concurrent processing is not available to everyone. The foreign worker's existing work permit must be set to expire in 2 weeks or less. The employer must have already submitted a complete LMIA application, and no decision can yet have been made on that LMIA. The LMIA application must also have been submitted early enough that a decision could reasonably have been expected before the worker's permit expired. Another major benefit involves maintained status, formerly known as implied status. When a foreign national applies for a work permit from inside Canada before their current permit expires, they may be able to continue working under the conditions of their existing permit while their application is being processed, as long as they remain in Canada. This is particularly important because, without timely processing, an employer could eventually receive a positive LMIA naming the foreign worker, but that approval might arrive too late to help if the worker has already lost authorization to work. So, if your Canadian work permit is nearing expiry and your employer's LMIA is still pending, this 90-day concurrent processing window could be extremely important. Make sure you understand the eligibility requirements and submit your application correctly and on time. For personalized guidance, consider scheduling a free work permit consultation with an authorized immigration professional. And if you want more updates on Canadian immigration, work permits, LMIA changes, and pathways for foreign workers, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who may need this information.